n terms, if the sum of the first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square, in this form it is written, sum of the n terms equal to AP is 4n minus n square. Find A1, it is written in the sentence, in the question I have written in chart. Find A1, A1 means what? First term, and then after the what? Sum of the two terms, then second term, third term, 10th term, and then finally find out the nth term. Okay, then information is given Sn equals 4n minus n square. This information is given. So what will be S1? S1 means what? First term or the sum of the one term. That will be, we will put the in place of the n 1, that will be 4 into 1 minus 1 square. So 4 minus 1 will be what? 3. S1 will be 3, therefore A1 will be also 3 because that is the first term. Now S2 will be what? 4 into 2. Now in place of them write down 2 minus 2 square. So 4 into 2 will what? 8. 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 will be what? That will be 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 minus 4 will what? 4. S2 equal to 4. Therefore A2 will be, because sum of the two term is given what? That is 4. A2 will be what? S2 minus S1. S2 minus S1 what will come? 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 equals 1. Okay. So this way we have got the second term also. Similarly we have to find the sum of the three terms. So 4 into 3 minus 3 square, that is 12, and 3 square will be what? 9. So 12 minus 9 will be what? 3. S3 will be 3. So therefore third term will be what there? Third term will be what? Sum of the three terms minus sum of the two terms. In three terms, sum of the three terms minus sum of the two terms will be what? That will be third term. So sum of the three term is what? 3, and sum of the two term is 4. So 3 minus 4 equal to what? Minus 1, because negative is greater than. So similarly it is asking, we have got the second term, third term, and sum of the two term also we have got. Now we have to find the A10. For the 10th term we need the what? S9. S9 first you will find out, then after S10 then we can get the 10th term. So 4 into 9 minus 9 square. 4 into 9 will be what? 36. Okay. 4n minus n square. 36 minus 81. And 36 minus 81 what will come? 11 minus 6 will what? 5. And 7 minus 3 will what? 4. So minus 45 it is there. Okay. S9 equal to what? Minus 45. And S10 will be 4 into 10 minus 10 square. So 4 into 10 will what? 40, and 10 square will what? 100. So that will be what? Minus 60. So 40 minus 100 will be what? Minus 60. Okay. Now see that. What we have to find? It is saying the 10th term. So just like third term equal to what? S3 minus S2. So what will be? A10 will be what? S10. S10 minus S9 means sum of the 10 term minus sum of the 9 term. S10 value is what given? That is minus 60, and S9 is given what? Minus 45. Write down as it is. So that is there, minus 60 plus 45. So minus 60 plus 45 is what? Because 60 minus is greater, therefore 60 minus 45, 15, minus 15. So 10th term is what? That is minus 15. We have got up to here. First term we have got sum of the two term, second term, and the third term, and then after we have got the 10th term also. Okay. Now we have to find the AN. AN means what? Nth term. So that is a simple way. First we can find out the what is the series it is going on. We will see the three terms continuously. It is given there. So AP will be, that is the simple way. Otherwise we can use the direct formula also. 3, then after 1, and then after minus 1, and then after it is going on, and the 10th term is what? That is minus 15. It is going on. It is not in. Okay. This is the 10th term, minus 15, and then after this series going on up to an. Okay, AP is 3, 1, minus 1. So we can get the D from here. So D1, D equal to what is there? Second term minus first term. So 1 minus 3 will be what? That will be minus 2. You'll see that here also, if D2 you have to find minus 1 and minus 1 minus 2. That means common difference minus 2 is correct. Now formula nth term. That is a simple way I am telling you. A plus n minus 1 into D. Now A value, A means what? First term we have got, that is the 3. And n, we have to find the nth term, therefore n is not given, and D equal to what? Minus 2, right down there. That will be 3 plus, and this minus 2 will multiply with the minus 2, it will be what? Minus 2n, in the bracket write down, and minus 2 into minus 1 will be what? Plus 2. So 3 plus 2 will what? 5. 5 minus 2n. So we have got nth term equals what? 5 minus 2n. So this is the simple way. Otherwise, if you want to do with the formula directly, then you can do by this way also. You know that an equals means nth term, just like we are subtracting no? Like this, the second term and the first term for to getting the second term. So an equal to what? Sn minus 1. By this formula also we can do the directly. First we have to find the Sn is already given, that is 4n minus n square, and n minus 1. In place of then we'll put the value, and then after we get. So by this formula also you can get that answer. But this is the simple way. So therefore this is correct. So nth term equal to what? 5 minus 2n. This is the answer. Thank you.